Some lovely mint seeds, some leaves, and just going to add to that loads of this lovely mint. It's all going into seed right now, so I'm just grabbing some of the freshest seeds, just the tips. Drop that, and it's all going to go. Take some leaves as well. The newer leaves are great. There's some newer leaves at the bottom here, and you can see what I'm going to do with that. Should be enough. Some lovely leaves here as well. Okay, it's a bit near the end, that's why it's all gone to seed, but so I've got plenty of seeds. Don't need much. There's some bugs running out of them, which is good. Let the bugs run out. It's going to be turned into mint tea. Okay, next step, tea. While I was out there, picked up a few thistles. That's for my tea tonight. But while I'm making this mint tea, I've got these little tiny holders. I'll put a link in the description. I'm literally just forcing it all in. I'm doing it one-handed because I'm holding my camera. So the leaves are not amazing, but the seeds, oh, the smell is amazing. So all that's going in. You could fill up both baskets if you want. That's it, bung it in. A few little escaping bugs on me. Seal it in. Next step is the water. Place into cup, hook it onto the side, and then fill with water. Lovely spring water. Let it infuse. Hard to do it one-handed. You might have a few bits in it, but that will sit there now on the edge of my cup for the next 5 minutes. And that's beautiful mint tea. It's been about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's give it a try. That's really good. Very, very minty, very, very tasty, and very, very nice indeed. And that is amazing tea, free of charge, from your garden. Thank you for watching. That's great. That's tea you can get totally free from your garden, and it tastes amazing, and it can't be any fresher. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like, hit the subscribe, and follow me for my new foraging adventures.